Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary. Something that blends extreme luxury with wild performance, and the kind of design that turns every head on the highway. We're talking about the Lamborghini Motorhome, a breathtaking fusion of supercar DNA and high-end touring comfort. So buckle up, because this review is going to take you through its stunning exterior, its premium interior, its powerful performance, and of course, the price you'll need to pay for all this exclusivity. Starting with the exterior, the Lamborghini Motorhome looks nothing like your typical RV. It carries that signature aggressive Lamborghini attitude from front to back. You can see sharp, chiseled lines that create a dynamic aerodynamic stance. Even though it's a massive motorhome, the LED headlights look like they belong on an exotic supercar, and the bold front grille gives it a dominating road presence. The exterior panels are sculpted with precision, and the paint finish has that deep, glossy shine that reflects every detail of the environment around it. The wheels are huge, built with performance-grade materials, and the overall profile is a perfect mix of elegance and speed-inspired design. Even when parked, it feels like it's ready to launch forward. Moving inside, the living room instantly shows you that Lamborghini didn't hold back on luxury. You're greeted with premium leather seating, stitched with the iconic Lamborghini pattern, and the cushions feel plush yet supportive. The ambient lighting sets the mood perfectly, highlighting the modern decor. The space feels open and futuristic, with large windows that bring in natural light and give you an amazing view of the world outside. It's the kind of living room where you can relax, watch a movie, or entertain guests without ever feeling like you're in a moving vehicle. The bedroom continues the luxury theme with a spacious bed layered with soft, high-quality bedding. The headboard design looks modern and sharp, staying true to Lamborghini styling. There are built-in storage spaces, soft ambient lights, and climate control that lets you customize your comfort for a perfect night's sleep. It's cozy, elegant, and designed for total relaxation after a long day on the road. The kitchen is surprisingly well equipped for a motorhome that draws inspiration from supercars. You get a sleek countertop, stainless steel appliances, a stylish sink, an electric stove, a modern refrigerator, and plenty of storage cabinets. Everything feels premium and practical, giving you the freedom to cook comfortably even while you're traveling. The clean layout makes the kitchen functional without taking away from the luxury atmosphere. Performance-wise, this motorhome is a completely different beast. Lamborghini engineered it with a powerful engine that delivers smooth acceleration and impressive highway stability. Driving it feels more controlled and responsive compared to most large RVs. The suspension system absorbs bumps with ease, and the steering is designed to feel precise despite the vehicle's size. It's a luxury hotel on wheels, powered with the spirit of a performance machine. Finally, when it comes to the price, you can expect it to be on the higher end, well into the premium luxury category. With its brand reputation, exotic design, handcrafted interior, and high-performance engineering, it's no surprise that this motorhome comes with a significant price tag. It's built for those who want the ultimate travel experience and don't mind paying for something rare and iconic. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content coming your way.